I want to write a book. How do I start? Want to write a book? Here's your blueprint to get started. So you've got this dream. You want to write a book. Maybe it's been sitting in the back of your mind for years, or maybe the idea just struck you like lightning. Either way, you're here because you're ready to make it happen. But where do you start? Let me walk you through it. Hey, I'm Abby, and I've been helping aspiring authors turn ideas into published books for Author Launch Academy. Whether you're writing fiction, nonfiction, or anything in between, the process might feel overwhelming, but trust me, it's doable. I've seen beginners, just like you, go from blank page to bestseller. So grab a pen or open your notes app, because this is your guide to starting your book writing journey. Find your why. Step 1. Understand why you're writing this book. This isn't just about motivation, it's your anchor. Are you sharing your expertise to grow your career? Telling a story that's burning inside you? Or maybe you're leaving a legacy? Knowing your why will not only keep you going when things get tough, but it'll also shape how you write and who you write for. Step 2. Define your audience. Next, define your audience. Who are you writing for? The clearer your audience, the easier it'll be to write something they actually want to read. For example, if you're writing a thriller, you're aiming at readers who love suspense, twists, and edge-of-your-seat pacing. If it's a self-help book, your audience is looking for practical advice that solves a specific problem. Picture that person as you write. Step 3. Start with a plan. Here's the truth. You don't need to start with Chapter 1. You need a roadmap, a simple outline. Think of your book as a journey. What's the starting point? The ending. And the major stops along the way? This outline doesn't need to be perfect, but it will give you clarity and make the process feel a lot less daunting. Step 4. Build a writing habit. Now, let's talk about consistency. The #1 killer of book dreams? Not writing. Block out time, even if it's 20 minutes a day. Writing a book isn't about marathon sessions. It's about steady progress. Little by little, the pages add up. Step 5. Don't get stuck on perfection. Here's the big secret. Your first draft will not be perfect, and that's okay. It's not meant to be. Writing is rewriting. Get the words on the page and let editing come later. Perfectionism is just procrastination in disguise. If you're still watching, it means you're serious about writing your book. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with your book idea. What's your title or concept? And if you're ready for more, I've put together a free resource to help you outline your book and stay on track. Click the link in the description to grab it. Remember, writing a book isn't just for the lucky few. It's for anyone willing to show up and put in the work. You've got this, and I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.